Hello everyone. So how are you? I hope you will be good. So today again I have come with a new video. How to make RGB flower, RGB color flower. How to make using Python tutorial. So I am Amarjit. Now you are watching expert coding. So do you want to know how to make RGB color flower using Python tutorial? So don't skip video. Watch full video. So let's go. Our desktop screen and open your text editor. There you doing program for Python. So I will do in Python. So open our Python. First here, create a file name. So right click and new, go to Python file and here write RGB, RGB flower dot py and hit enter. Next, write here code. So first here import turtle t. Next, import color says, import color says. Then here put a background color, bg color. BG color I'll give black. You can give any other color, like background color is looking good. So like then tracer, tra- tracer, tracer I'll give 100. Next pen size, pen size I'll give five pen size. And next equal to 0. Next here using for loop. Without for loop, not to draw any flower. So here I will one for loop for I sorry I in range. Here I will give 200. You can give any more number like 250, 300, 100. You can give 100. So next here create variable C and ask for color says. Color says is RGB in stored in C. So here I will give mm, H comma 1 comma 0 going add. Next hit it up. Next here H plus is equal to 0.005. Next pen color. Keyboard pen color. Pen color I will give C RGB color because in store in C all color are stored in C. So here let's see. Next circle. Circle I'll give I comma 90. I comma 90 then hit it touch. Then here take RT. RT I will give 30. I will give 30 RT. Next circle. Again here take circle. I will one sorry I into 0.5 comma minus 90 with hit enter and again here take circle here then minus I into 0.5 comma minus 9. Then my program is completed here, right? T dot done. Only 15 line program is completed. Now save and now going for run this program. Right click on file name and run the program. So you can see it my project is completed, my program is completed. So this program is looking good. I hope you will be understood this program and you can make easily. So if you like this video, then like, share, and subscribe my channel. So thank you, friends. I meet you next video. So thank you, friends.